Geil. Hey. So we are off to Fiegel, a very specialized form of skiing that will take place up on the mountain like every form of skiing, but with smaller skis, very teeny tiny smaller skis. And now we're riding the gondola. See you upstairs, well, on the mountain. We were not only able to observe the amazing view of Innsbruck and the surrounding area, but also some of the remnants of avalanches that occurred during this winter, because there was a ton of snow this winter.
I'm very excited.
We just borrowed some Figels short skis and they look incredibly ridiculous. But that just makes it even more fun. Let's go. Such a stunning and amazing view, don't you agree, Thomas?
I absolutely agree.
The roots of Fiegel can be found from hikers who decided to save themselves the trouble to walk back down the mountain after a successful hike. They strapped wooden logs or planks onto their feet and descended by sliding down snow gullies. This eventually got discovered and turned into the niche sport known as Fiegel today.
Let's do World Championships! This is massive!
By the way, this was the first time we were on Fiegel, and let's just say it's not very easy to find balance due to their rather short length.
Jesus, this is gonna be tough. Ow! Yeah, we definitely need more practice. So there's a very good reason you can only do this in April. It's because the snow needs to be soft. And yeah, we saw why it needs to be soft, so it doesn't hurt so much when we fall. And we fall so often. And I'm already tired, guys. Going home. Whoa. Ow.
The really mushy and already melting soft snow doesn't only cushion your inevitable falls, it is also necessary to find even a semblance of balance. It does also increase friction, however, which is why this type of snow slows down actual skis way too much. But it is ideal for these short Fiegel, and thus the skiing season can be extended for a few weeks, in which Fieglers take over the mountains.
Ah. Hey! Welcome to the Ski Lift Talk Show. Today we are hosted by Thomas and Nico. Hi, and talk show over because we are at the top, alright? So right now we're sitting on the next gondola up to go even higher up. And apparently there's another meter of snow up on top. 1 more meter. Crazy. I'm excited. That's the face of pure exhaustion. So we've now reached the summit of the Nordkette, and the view is stunning. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, I absolutely agree.
Wow.
Best view in my life.
This is crazy.
Look at my back.
So what I'm wondering is why these birds behind me, they are not afraid of anyone. They are so close to Earth, probably because it's a bunch of tourists coming here and they just want to feed the birds. How nice of them. Oh. That's good. Let's go. Woo! Wow.
That is fresh powder.
Woo! No. Definitely not. Oh boy. This is steep.
It's the best.
Being able to ski down these snow gullies is a rare phenomenon. They require two conditions: a great amount of snowfall but also intense sunlight to melt the snow. Since the Nordkette is directly facing the south, it has that sunlight, as well as an atypically large amount of snowfall, even compared to the surrounding mountains. This makes the Nordkette one of the few places where you can do this type of skiing.
Oh wow, this is steep and I'm barely hanging on to the thing at the side. This is actually better if you're shorter. Richtig, so ein Hammerview. Oh. Alright guys, smile for the camera. $24. So this lift is like really old, 40 years, but back in the day they built quality. And so it lasts. This was exhausting. So Thomas, did you enjoy Fiegel?
Yeah, it was a great adventure the first time also. And I enjoyed the great view on the top of Innsbruck.
Oh yeah, oh
It's
yeah.
the best positive view you can get.
Oh yeah.
It's absolutely exhausting and
What would you recommend people take with them, Fiegel?
good attitude. Yeah.
2 very well working legs, a ton of stamina, like so much, and of course a second pair of gloves. That's what I would take.
Yeah.
Anything to add?
No. And what was your best?
The food afterwards.
The food afterwards, yeah. It's the best energy you can get, and
we're done here.
Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to this channel. See you next time.